Cheating. No, cheating is cheating.
I'm smarter, I win.
No.
Let's start the game.
So in this game, the person who drops the most cans in these will win. But the plot twist is that the cans in behind there are numbers. So the person who drops these cans but have the most numbers will win.
Let's start the game.
So if this is good, so start.
Trust me, okay? Let's see which number did I get. So this is 1, 10, 6, and 4. Total at 21.
So now my turn. Six, 7, 1. So total is 14.
And minus 22 I'm behind! Yay! Let's become to the next challenge! Let's start the next challenge. So in this challenge, who dropped over the balloon will get the gift.
3,
2,
1, 0. Why? Why?
he's so mad. He's doing it.
Please drop.
No. This is my chance to win.
Why?
That's why we should do next one. I won! Yay! I won! So I get the surprise! Yay! If we lose, I get. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We will meet you guys in the next video. Bye bye!
Can I have a bite? Thank you. Can I have a bite?
I'll share with you.
Thank you. Sharing is caring.